Cancer, this is your pick a card reading for the 24th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Cancer, we're going into your channel song first. You know I always sing here, so if you want to skip me, or even if you want to timestamp me, go ahead. Stop saying that! I want you to listen to my talent, okay? This is your channel song. Please come home, I think I'm falling. I'm holding on to what I think is safe. It seems I found a road to nowhere, and I'm trying to escape. I yelled back and I heard thunder, but I'm down to one last breath. And with this, let me say, hold me now. I'm 6 feet from the edge, and I'm thinking that maybe 6 feet ain't so far down. I don't have time. I'm looking down, now that it's over, reflecting all of on my mistakes. I thought I found the road to somewhere in His grace. I cried out, heaven save me, but I'm down to one last breath. And with it, let me say, hold me now. I'm 6 feet from the edge, and I'm thinking that maybe 6 feet ain't so far down. Cancer, I don't know what's happening with you. I don't know if you're feeling a certain way, but I'm getting you thinking that 6 feet ain't so far down. You might have dealt with 6 different abandonments, 6 different betrayals, 6 different times you had to start over. You're now considering that 6 feet under may not be so bad. It may be very comfortable, safe, and protected down there. I'm getting you crying out for help. You're crying out for help, Cancer. I cried out, heaven save me, but I'm down to one last breath. Alright, so Cancer, if you need anybody to hold you now, hold you while you cry, hold you while you figure things out, just hold you. Just know that 6 feet under, believe me, it is very far down. You can't dig your way back up after you go there, Cancer. So let's go ahead and go into your reading. We're doing your pick a card reading, Cancer. We have card number 1, card number 2, and card number 3. If you need to pause it, you can go ahead and do that and make your decision. All right, Cancer, if you chose card number 1, let's see what we have in store for you. So card number 1, Cancer, we have the 9 of Swords. Yeah, I'm getting you wish somebody would hold you now. I don't know if you're suicidal or what you're thinking about, but I'm getting you full of anxiety. All right? Now your second card out of that deck is the 3 of Swords. This is a breakup. Maybe you can't get over somebody, but me getting all you're doing is crying. Maybe you're sad, but me getting you cry out for help, Cancer, and nobody not hear you. Me getting you sad, you cry, all you can think about is just this memory. Something is making you really emotional. We have a Judgment card, yeah. I'm getting it's a decision somebody made. So is either somebody going to leave, maybe somebody going to leave, or somebody going to come back, or me getting you now go see somebody again, me getting the Judgment. You're so sad, Cancer. Your number is a Page of Swords, okay? I'm getting you watch somebody online constantly, but I don't know what happened. For some reason, maybe you saw them in a relationship. Maybe you see them with somebody. Or again, maybe you're crying out for help and nobody not help you. You post things online and everybody's overlooking it. We have the Knight of Pentacles. I'm getting it's because you feel like nothing is changing in your life. Every time you try, every single time you try to start something new or you hold on, it seems like the more you hold on is the more poisonous it is for you. We have the 5 of Swords. Now, also feel like maybe at one point you were trying to do something to the Cancer. Maybe you needed somebody to show you a little more effort. Maybe you pretend that you cheated with somebody just so you could have seen somebody really tell you how them feel about you, and instead they just left and never called you back. I'm getting you feel guilty because you weren't trying to mess up the whole relationship. You were just trying to get a response out of somebody who wouldn't give you a response. Your last card out is the Judgment card again. We have Judgment card twice. Now the Judgment card 2 times would tell me, even though you're sad about whatever this is, we need to have a conversation, because we're getting your side of the story and their side of the story is 2 different sides, okay? Now let's go back to the cards, Cancer. If you chose card number 2, we're picking the Judgment. So in this entire reading, Cancer, the Judgment card came out at least 3 times. So this could be a third-party situation. You need to make a judgment who you're going to be with. Now, being that the Judgment is ending your Judgment being your second card, in that deck, the first card we have is the 2 of Pentacles. Okay, so this can also be, Cancer, I'm getting you want to be with somebody, but I'm getting there's 3 people. You don't do 3s. You're probably Jewish. You do 2s. So I'm getting, in order for you to get rid of one person, I'm getting you and somebody's supposed to be working together, but two on working cahoots towards somebody else. Apparently you like this person and you know that the only way you can get this person is if you go against your own friend. So I'm getting you're considering selling out your friend because you don't want to share whatever this is. Your second card out is the 9 of Cups. Yeah, this is everything you wanted and you want this for yourself only. We have the 4 of Wands coming out. This could be something about a household, you're relocating, a roommate situation. Because I'm getting something is 3. It cannot be 3, it has to be 2. We have the Queen of Swords. It could be this woman. Maybe you live with this woman already. Somebody want you moving. I'm getting something about you and this woman is living under the same building or under the same house. Or I'm getting in order to get you close to them had to go against them friend. Yeah, we have a Knight of Wands. I'm getting the friend was a Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius man. Now this man is also coming towards you at the moment. Somebody will come right up towards you. I feel like right as you move, somebody who you haven't spoken to in a very long time, they're gonna just reach out to you. Hey, can I come over your house? Don't make that dirty come over your house though. And we have the 4 of Swords. Yeah, ghost them. This could also be something about a Sagittarius, a Leo, Aquarius. Maybe getting somebody did want to pursue you, but they're never sure. Maybe you weren't stable. Who you was living with, it wasn't ideal. I'm getting now that you move, this Aries, Leo, Sagittarius man, I'll come visit you. I'm getting I'll ghost him. Or I'm getting, he's just trying to come there for sex. That's all he's trying to come there for, okay? Now your last card in our pick a card reading, 2 bags of sugar, is the Fool card. So the Fool card is usually the first card of the tarot deck. It usually entails freedom, making choices, but remember, you're the Fool. Anything you do now can affect you when you reach the Devil card, okay? So your cards following the Fool is, we have the Sun card again. Oh my God, I'm getting happiness. So you're happy to be a fool, you're happy to be free, and even though you might not have much material aspects in life, I'm getting you would have felt weighed down anyways. I'm getting you, maybe you're glad that you're single, you don't have a child. I tell somebody, I'm 31 without a child, I feel like me at 25. That's how I feel. I feel like me at 25 with much more education and much more experience mentally. Once you're 30 and you don't have a child, it's coming like you go right back to 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You don't have a child, you don't have nothing to care for. Maybe you're glad. People might be like, when are you going to have a baby? You should have a baby. You're like, yo, I'm glad not having anybody to take care of. I'm free. I can't go anywhere in my place without worrying about this. I'm getting you happy that you don't have kids. You're happy you're single. You're happy, you're really happy. Your second card out is the Queen of Wands. Now maybe somebody else has a child. I'm getting, it might be a sister, or I'm getting something with a Sagittarius, Leo, Aquarius woman. She have a child. So apparently she's sour because you can walk free, you can do what you want. She got a child, so she can't make those moves. We have a 10 of Cups, yeah. I'm getting, it's the same story. You meet a guy, the guy didn't love you, him wanted everything with you, him get pregnant and him leave. And I'm getting the Queen of Wands is dealing with what happens after a relationship don't work out when a child was involved. And I'm getting, you're like, it's great that you had a child, but I'm happy that I can walk away at any time. Because you're saying, oh, the guy walked away from you because you were pregnant. Me can walk away at any moment. We have the Seven of Pentacles. The man may have walked away from you because the child was a bastard, or getting you have sex with this Jewish man and the Jewish man cannot claim the child. We have the Five of Pentacles, yeah. So you met him, dance. I don't know what to do. Dance? Maybe a dance. Maybe he was in a strip club, but me getting you meet him, everything was great. You got pregnant and him abandon you. Because he can't be telling people that you're pregnant. And he can't be giving you money because what the accountant is going to say. Your final card is the 8. You say you're walking away, you're abandoning everybody. I feel like you're even abandoning what is normal standards. Every single body who has ever gotten pregnant, they're either not with the baby daddy anymore, or if they are with the baby daddies, they're going to cheat on them. That is the natural cycle of life, unless you're a specific type of creature, okay? So I'm getting, you're like, I'm glad I never did that. I'm glad I never fall for the happy home, being a stay-at-home, well-kept wife with a baby. I'm glad I never do it. Because once the marriage fall apart, the marriage was the only thing you identified with. That's why you lose yourself. When your husband gone and the marriage fall apart, you don't know what to do. Because the marriage was your identity. So I'm getting, you're left with nothing. Or I'm getting, one person might have decided to stay. They did stay, they did have a baby, but me getting the man still not take care of them, or the man is talking to other women. Me getting you decide to leave, but you're left in an 8 of Pentacles. But you're left with the possibility of making any decision in the future. Because I'm getting, you ain't gonna tie me down, how you gonna roll, how you gonna do when the gosh your bones, and how you gonna do, because you ain't gonna tie me down, they gonna tie you down. I'm getting, you're happy, you're happy. We got the High Priestess. You're happy because you know Cancer. You are the High Priestess, remember? I thought it was Pisces. It wasn't Pisces, it was you. We have Leo coming out as well. So we have the High Priestess and Leo. We have marriage. We have enemy. We have I am the game. And we have nous avons 11-11. Owns. Until next time, bye.
Oh my God.